Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be going over how to increase your viewer retention. And we're going to do this with 4 simple steps. So let's go ahead and get into it. First step, so you want to get straight to the point when you're doing your videos or topic or niche. The reason for that is because if you get off topic or you're doing side stories and things like that, you risk losing your viewer or them just losing interest in general. So it's okay to have side stories, but keep them short, keep them sweet. It's a great way to build a connection, but like I said, you want to kind of stick to the topic at hand because that's what they clicked on the video for. Step number 2, so you do want to refrain from long intros. I personally got rid of my intro for that reason. I would say to keep your intros around 5 seconds long, just so it's short and sweet, introduces who you are, and then from there the viewer can watch your video because that's what they clicked on. So refrain from having a long video. That's actually one of the most common mistakes that new YouTubers make, and it really plays an important role into as to why a viewer would continue to watch your video and things along those lines. So that is step number 2. Step number 3, so you want to keep your videos as short as possible. Now of course I understand that it really comes down to your niche and things along those lines. So if you're a gaming channel, you know, maybe a 20-minute video or 40 minutes or whatever is typical or normal. So of course there are exceptions to the rule, but in general you do want to keep your videos as short as possible because that will increase the likelihood that someone will finish your video or at the very least watch most of it. So I would say no longer than 10 minutes, because the longer, anything after that, you're significantly, I can't say that word, significantly dropping the likelihood of them finishing your videos. So I would say probably about 5 to 8 minutes is what I personally aim for. Now, if my video ends up being shorter than that, then great. It's a win for everybody. But that's generally what I do. I try to keep my videos as short as possible. So that's tip number 3, and we're going to go ahead and go on to the final step. Final step is use your YouTube analytics. Now I will dive deeper into YouTube analytics and how it works in the future on a future video, but for the time being, your YouTube analytics will be able to help you determine at what point on your videos people on average leave your videos. So from there you can kind of see the video, see where you need to work on or improve on, and go from there. So those are 4 steps to increase your viewer retention. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys next video.